and gentlemen, the story you're about to hear is true. Only the names have been changed to protect the innocent. You're a detective sergeant. You're assigned to homicide detail. A gang of quick-trigger gunmen have moved in on your city. They've given public notice that they'll kill the first cop who tries to take them. You know the risks, your job. Apprehend the suspects.
Dragnet, the documented drama of an actual crime, investigated and solved by the men who unrelentingly stand...
Waterfall, 1955. What a time. There's the town's most famous hurler, Deadshot Dan Hennessy, no longer with us. His spirit will always live on. Good man, Deadshot, lovely hurling. That fella there is Weeshy Hennessy, grandson of the great Deadshot. Now Weeshy is the leader of a hurling gang that call themselves the Demons. There's Guts Gilligan, a tough and pacey cornerback and another member of the gang. Babs O'Keefe, arguably the most naturally talented drinker in the whole town. And Ned O'Shea's young fella, Tommy Fiveballs, who got that name after his magic display against Ballyfurnace in last year's county championship. Bad times had befallen the Demons, though. Their popularity in the town had dwindled. For in Waterfall 1955, hurling was out, and rock and roll was in. They're the Freebirds now, Waterfall's very first rock and roll band. It's fair to say there was a bit of bad blood between both gangs. There's the lead singer of the Freebirds, Make Out King Murphy. What a move. The Freebirds had replaced the Demons as the town darlings, all right.
Come on, lads. We'll be late for work.
That year, something had to give.
Come one, come all, and get your special Deadshot Dan turnips. These turnips are as fine and handsome as the great man himself. So hurry now, they're going fast. 1 and 6pence. Okay, who's for the first turnip? You'll buy turnip.
Who's Deadshot Dan?
Deadshot Dan, young fella, was a god amongst men and a magician amongst hurlers. He had elephant breastbones for a chest, arms the size of great oak trees, and some very, very nimble footwork. He liked to start his day with a
great big bowl of pure muck that energized him till sunset would fall. Do you know he once single-handedly defeated the blackguards from Ballyfungus on the hurling field? In a cowardly act of revenge, those same blackguards destroyed some of Deadshot's precious turnips after the game, and the shot killed him stone dead.
These turnips are from that very same patch, young fella. So hurry now, get 'em while I got 'em. Freeport funds. Freeport funds. Wait, like,
Wait, calm down, relax, calm down, relax, calm down.
I will not calm down. That's the end of us. The demons are finished. That's the end of us now. When was the last time any of us sold a feckin' turnip, huh? When was the last time any of us had a boxy female? There hasn't been too many. There hasn't been too many demons getting the love of late, now, has there? It's all because of those feckin' freebots with their feckin' little jackets and their guitars. They're a plague, I tell you. A plague.
They're at it again, Wishy boy. Look at that there now. What's that?
This is it. This is the answer. If we could somehow think of an act that could beat those freebolts, this could work. This Saturday night, the demons are going back to the top.
Oh, Wishy boy, that's fantastic altogether.
Right, cool down. Look, we're not going to get much work here today. So you knock off and go back to the hut. All right. And collect another waster on the way.
Right, good job. Oh, come on.
And for God's sake, have an act worked out.
No problem, Wishy kid.
Right, lads, what have you got for me?
Come on, now, lads. Come on, now. Relax. Okay. A heel, a two, a three. Go.
Hurling in the morning, hurling for the day, hurling for the supper, hurling all the way. Hurling.
No! 6 freaking hours! That's all you came up with! But... Well, who was there? There was no one here! But I saw a flash of leather legging it away!
That's still a
They can't play about that.
Hold on! There's something here! Give it to me.
Faking socks and
Jesus! You bastard! Guts, that you all stock. We see here. Look, new plan. Make better hut, 10 bells tomorrow night. Guts, just be there.
Yes, will she buy? She's good, like them good. There's no denying that. She's as good enough to beat the feckin' Freebirds. You don't know, lad.
Tommy, 'tis time to show those Freeborns a bit of timber.
A bit of timber, lad. Oh,
In you go! That's it,
now.
Demon way.
Let it down, you whore.
Jesus, God, not me as well! Right, he's it. Yeah, you could take a Rockville sign as well. Yeah, rock on that, Murphy. Freeport, my ring. Right, Sparks. Straight on to Clonakilty, no stops, pick no one up. Don't return for a couple of days. 2 turnips, as agreed.
Good man, Sparks.
Right, he's lovely hurling.
Well, let's hear it there for Spoons O'Keefe, everybody. Come on, Spoons. Hey, go on down now and join the crowd. Come on, Spoon. That's Spoons O'Keefe. Now, I'm very sorry, everybody, but I just heard that the Freebirds definitely won't be here tonight. But it's okay, folks. We do actually have another act for you tonight. So, if we could have the demons on the stage with their Wishy Warrior dance.
fireflies and children on the street. I catch a glimpse of black-eyed girls who giggle when I smile. There's a little boy who wants to shine my feet. But it's 3 days ride from Bakersfield and I don't know why I came. I guess I came to keep from paying dues. So instead I got a pop and a girl who's just 14 and a damn good case of the Mexicali blues.